Hi everyone, Kamal here and welcome you to the last hands-on video of Windows 10 Mobile build 10080. In this video we will go through some features which are less covered or which are like less known or not covered in the official changelog. So we'll start with what changes the Spartan brings. So if you see we have like covered a bit about a Spartan and how about flags allows you to make it better or switch on some features which are actually not available as such, but you can switch on those features and it enhances the performance of the device, etc. So as you can see, these experimental features, if you enable them, it enhances the performance. It also brings a JavaScript improvement, very important. So we have seen that by doing this, the HTML5 score has actually gone up. It is now, I think, one of the best or like the best score that has been achieved by any of the Microsoft browsers. Now what else has come with this new version is like a download manager. So you may have seen these three already: history, reading list, and favorites. Now you have a download manager as well, so if you download something on Spartan, they should be handy, should be useful. Apart from that, Spartans now really looks fast. It is very smooth and quite stable, does not crash much. I've tried to crash, but it endures, so it's like good. You can see the new version here. Okay, now coming to what else has changed. So if you go to the settings, you can see this search button. So earlier it was not here, so now you can search for settings, which is still covered. So like if I want to go to glance screen, you can type glance and it will directly go to the glance screen. So one more change is that till last build, the extra settings were not working well, so now it works and you have the glance screen. And I think though I'm not 100% sure, but I think that some things like some enhancement has have arrived with this new build. So in the glance screen, you can see, I think there is a new hide glance screen option in the night mode, and then you have these exceptions. So this is like a bit of change in the glance screen. Apart from that, you would not be able to see more changes, but still if you go and dig, you can find things like the tap to pay, which has now arrived. So let me try to show it to you. Okay, we have already seen the personalization options. So you can see the tap to tap to pay. So since I don't have a card, or I don't think a card is available, like a payment app is available in the store as such. Maybe Microsoft will bring them later, but I think the feature is already here. It has arrived. Then you see mouse and touchpad. So it allows to select your primary button, mouse and touchpad. These features are like supported by Windows 10, but now you can see them here. So that's a good thing actually. The extras are now very easily accessible. They started working again. Okay. One more app which we would like to take you through is new, and it had not worked before but now it started working. So this is like a get started app. So I have shared some screenshots from this app, but now you can see the hands-on. So it is I think very handy and can be very useful if you really want to go and just check what new features are there in the Windows 10 mobile. So I can see that it's not yet complete, but still So like this is the version number. It's again have the hamburger menu, which you can see now as being present in most of the apps. So again, many would not like it, but somehow it, for me, it looks like that it makes navigation easy. We have seen that on music preview and video preview, so not a bad thing. But yeah, so actually, as you can see, I mean, the app has started, I mean, it has got the features listed, but not much of description. So still, if you want to just go and try to see what is the feature, what is the new feature, it is a handy app. So this is also one of the less covered feature which we have seen. We have already covered that most of the features can now be pinned to the start screen. So the start screen has become much better and easier to use. So these were like some of the features which were less covered. Hope you have liked this video, and if any, we will again I mean, I think we have covered most of the things or most of the features or changes that this new build 10080 brings. But if anything is not there, we can again come back with a new video. Okay, thanks.